Okay, so today is 23rd morning and I'm going out once again on a ride towards Purulia or Ayodhya Hills, as you already know by the title. And this is my ride basically after Sandakphu. So this is going to be a week extended ride from 23rd to 25th of December. Let's go. Okay, and I am right now cold starting my motorcycle. We'll be ready to go about in a minute.
Yeah, and right now I'm out on the roads of Kolkata, out for my first proper winter ride. I mean, winter is the season for riding across India, man. But then all my leaves have been depleted, and so I have no other option. But for the rest of 2017, which is going to end pretty soon, I have to go out on short rides. And this probably is the last ride of 2017. Goodbye 2017, you had been a wonderful year. Damn, I did a small mistake. I'm currently on AJC Bose flyover now, and motorcycles are actually prohibited here from 10 PM to 6 AM. I mean, they generally put a barricade over here so that motorcycles cannot enter inside. But then this time this was not there, and I'm used to that barricade. Anyways, I can see another two-wheeler in front of me. I just hope there are no cops at the end of this flyover. My friends, is that place of the city where without vlogging I won't leave this city. Well, beneath this place is the Prinsep Ghat, which is the most beautiful part of Kolkata. In each and every vlog when I'm going out of Kolkata somewhere, I do vlog at this place and make sure that I say this to each of the audience. And yes, I will not stop vlogging about Prinsep Ghat in Kolkata whenever I cross this place. Yeah, inside Kolkata there is not that much fog ever, but when you're moving out of Kolkata, just look at the amount of fog. I'm not comparing it to the fog in Delhi or places as such, to the fog of North India, but in general here in West Bengal, outside Kolkata, it's quite foggy. Now look at the fog, huh? I have just crossed Santragachi and I'm heading towards Dankuni. Boy, the fog is intense. Well, there is one great thing that I did last night. That is, recently I brought a anti-fog spray. I'll leave the link of the anti-fog spray in the description below. I brought it from Amazon India, and boy, it's working wonderfully, because you know I wear specs, and getting the specs fogged up in such a misty weather, man, look at that. Look at the fog around in those fields. It looks so wonderful, man. Seriously, this is the first time I'm riding outside Kolkata in winters. ऐसा नहीं कि हर जगह पे fog है. Just look at this fog here. Wow, man, I love riding in fog. Woo! I am a man of time. We had decided to reach at around by 6:30, but I reached by 6:22. So I'll be waiting here for my friends. Today you would get to meet a couple of new guys. One of them is my college friend Shavalia. Seven of us have finally gathered here at 7:33, 1 hour late. So anyways, we'll be riding non-stop towards Shaktigarh and then wait at Shaktigarh for breakfast. That's about it. Let's roll! Woo! It's already 23rd of December today, yet I don't feel that the temperature is that cold. I mean, maybe it's global warming, maybe it's something else. But really, on 23rd December, the weather is expected to be much more colder. I mean, right now, yeah, it's cold. The winds are chilly, but not that chilly at all. And I am completely out of Kolkata now. So as usual, we are at the place of Langcha, at the Langcha Niketan right now. The time right now is around 8:41. It's okay, we are at the right time, and the distance is also not too much. That is around 350 kilometers, so that's about it. So this is Shumallo. You must have known him from the Sikkim ride. Okay, so this is Sunny, and I'm riding with him for the first time. This is Shupriyo, and this is Shayan. Okay, and this is Ankush. You have seen him in the Tajpur ride, and he's also joining us for the first time. This is Shagnik.
Hello.
Okay, so we are leaving Shaktigarh now. Had the usual kachori and langcha wala breakfast that we always have here at Shaktigarh. Durgapur 24 kilometers, Bankura 71 kilometers. Welcome to Burdwan Expressway Limited. This is one of the finest expressway, and as you go towards Durgapur, the expressway becomes finer, smoother, better. Had a short little break. We are around 10 kilometers away from Durgapur. The roads are awesome here, but then I'd expected it could be a little bit colder. I mean, it doesn't feel it's winter yet. It's chilly, but not that chilly as you would expect on 23rd of December. Come on, New Year and Christmas is here. The last time I came here, Durgapur tollgate hadn't started taking tax yet, and now yes, it has started. It's a good thing. I mean, when you get such wonderful roads, giving toll is fine. Kya baat hai, kya baat hai. We have this flyover to go to Durgapur now. This is the junction mall of Durgapur, and look at the road in front of it. How wonderful it has become. Okay, so we have taken the left from Asansol, left the highway, and now the roads would be narrow, but the scenic beauty would be splendid. So from Nehmatpur you have to take a right turn. When you come into these interiors, there are quite a few left and right turns, and the road we are following right now, Garpachkot, is also very close, and Garpachkot is also a nice destination for a weekend ride. Anyways, this time we are not covering Garpachkot. In fact, throughout this Purulia and Bankura, Ranchi, Jharkhand, this West Bengal border, there are many scenic places. Ayodhya Pahar is just 15 and 30 kilometers from here. It's very close on this route. Purulia 68 kilometers. This is Raghunathpur, a small town. Okay, so we just had our lunch here at Hotel Manpasand here at Raghunathpur, and the time right now is around 2:14 p.m. We are not in a hurry. It's around 80 more kilometers that we have to cover, so it's just about fine. We'll just take it cool and easy. That's about it. The lunch was good. right now we are crossing Purulia, and Purulia had a little bit of traffic congestion. We are trying to get some cold drinks from Purulia because after this you are not likely to get any cold drinks or any such stuff that you want because there are no such shops going ahead in the hills. So if you want something, get it from here. Okay, so this is Tamnamore. So after Purulia you get the Tamnamore, from where you have to take a right turn towards the Ayodhya hill. There is a big board written there with the directions towards Ayodhya hill, so you actually don't need any GPS. Music ringing in your ears, such wonderful roads, and the next 2 days off from work. So we are a little bit of situation here. So if you are coming from Purulia and crossing the Timnamore, then after that while you are going to Ayodhya hill there are no petrol pumps, so make sure you fill your petrol, else you have to get petrol from these cans here. They sell here it in black. That's what is in the Duke 390 right now. Nice place. If you can see far away, we have the view of the Ayodhya hills. By the time we reach there, it will definitely get dark. It's almost dusk right now. I switched off the headlights. I don't know if the reddish hue of the sky is visible. Right now, it's around 6:30 p.m. We had reached here at around 6 p.m. And I know it's not well lit everywhere, but then that's the place where we are staying. If you can see that. So we were about to get one tent and one room, but then that was not available, and since it's peak time, 23rd, 24th, 25th, there will be many tourists around this place, and our bikes are parked right there. If you can see that, I know it's not clearly visible now, so tomorrow morning I'll show you around this place. Abhi dikhane ka koi matlab nahi banta. Chalo, for now I'll just end this vlog right here. I hope you enjoyed today's ride, and tomorrow we'll explore the places around Ayodhya Pahar. That's about it. See you tomorrow.